and doing well. In this pandemic situation and lockdown, you must be very bored. So I have brought a new experiment. That experiment name is Elephant Toothpaste Experiment. So let us, what we need. We need water and test tube, liquor, and this 30 spoon yeast, dry yeast powder, hydrogen peroxide, food coloring, red, and what we need. That's all. Let us start. So we need to put 2 tablespoons of dry yeast powder. And put water. Add some water. I have add the water in the beaker. Okay. Now I need to mix it. Paste is ready. Now I am going to add some food coloring. Now I need to put hydrogen peroxide in this test tube. That's all. And that much I have put in. I have added hydrogen peroxide. Look it. Now I need to put this mixture I have made. Look it. Wow. For this elephant toothpaste, because it is a very fast reaction, I have used hydrogen peroxide. I have used it. Hydrogen peroxide. You know, hydrogen peroxide is a mixture of water and oxygen. When we add dry yeast and water, the oxygen will escape very fast. If you liked my video, if you want to watch my more videos, please subscribe to my channel and like it and share with your friends. Bye bye.